Hello, my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am Rupal ma'am. So, we have revised alphabet C and alphabet D, and we have learnt sleeping line. So, today we are going to revise the same. So, let's get started. Let's sing a jolly phonics song to revise alphabet C and D. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. C for cap, C for cake, C for car, C for chair. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. D for dice. D for doll, D for dolphin, D for drum. Revision of sleeping line. On the slate, I have drawn a butterfly on the left side and a flower on the right side. Butterfly and a flower. So now let us match butterfly with the flower with a sleeping line. Starting from the left side, slowly go towards the right side. Now, in the next picture, there is a cat and a mouse. A cat and a mouse. So let us join cat to the mouse with the sleeping line. Start from the left side and go towards the right side. Now I will give you solution of the worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to trace the sleeping lines. Today, I am going to solve the worksheet and show it to you. So here, the first picture is of a dog. And it lives in a kennel. So, I will trace on these small lines from left side to the right side. Children, do not lift your hand. Second picture, a squirrel lives on the tree. So we will join these dots from left side where the squirrel is to the tree where it lives. The third picture is of a fish. Fish lives in the water. Slowly join the dots. Now the fourth picture is of a penguin and it lives in the snow. So we will make a sleeping line. Now I will trace sleeping lines on these given small lines here. As always, start from the left side and go towards the right side. Keep 1 finger distance on the first red line, first blue line and second blue line. Once again, from left to right, left to right. First red line, first blue line and second blue line. One more time. First red line, first blue line, second blue line. Left to right, from left to right. Very good. And the worksheet is complete. Okay, children, take care and bye bye. And I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you.